Hey guys, it's OKB. If you're here, you can't use Flash, or you want to learn how to use Flash after January 12th, the end of life Flash date for Adobe at least, because Adobe's version of Flash is not the only Flash version out there. However, it is a little bit risky to your computer, so keep in mind if you don't want any risk at all, just play with the client. Now, if you don't know this game, don't worry, I'll run you through Flash. It shouldn't be hard, alright? Here's basically you want to go to Naruto Online forums. So if you don't, I'm gonna do this very simply. All right, Naruto Online forums. Just search that on Google or whatever search engine you're at. Go to forums, Naruto Online English version, um, and you want to search for browser. Now, Oasis prepared something for us quite a while ago. QV is a moderator, and he's posted this. Link here for Adobe Flash. This is a Chinese company that replicated Flash or took an older version of Flash. Either way, it works, at least for me. Now you want to go here to download the browser. So yes, you do download this browser thing. All right, it's a file stored somewhere. You download it, and I already downloaded it, so I don't need it. And then let me go to display view for a second. Is this working? Let's see. Good. Okay. Um, and then you want to go to Flash Center, which is what it's called. You do allow it to make the publisher is a Chinese company, so you won't recognize it. And then you have this thing here. Now, you just simply go to Flash, you click install, you install it for a while, and it should work for you on the Opera browser. So here's the thing: you can't, at least for me, it doesn't work on Google. So you gotta go to the Opera browser and click. Let me exit this out. You go to the Opera browser and you basically just enter it again. You want to click this thing, this triangle thing here. Click this, allow. All right, and that is how you use Flash for Naruto Online. Now, how do you use Flash for other stuff? Well, I tested this out on Armor games. So, uh, Armor games, there's like some games that use Flash, right? And this is not just Armor games. This is like a lot of different websites. They still have Flash there. So what's a game that uses Flash? I think I remember there's something like Enchanted Cave. These are still fun. I still want to play it sometime. But yeah, there's a ad. Let me turn off the sound here. And gotta wait a little bit. Skip ad. Now you guys can see Flash player is blocked. This game requires Flash. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so you guys can see here that when you click the same thing, oh well, okay, Flash showed up for me, but when I first started, Flash did not show up for me. So you got to go to Site Settings, and you got to scroll down and go to Flash, and you got to go Allow. Okay, once you do that, you probably want to reload. Since I already did it, it reloaded automatically. But um, yeah, you want to reload in case it doesn't work, and then you can start playing Flash on whatever website it is that you want. Now this works for Congregate as well. All right, let me show you. Facebook as well, but I don't play on Facebook, so it's not gonna work for me because I don't have an account on there. But yeah, it should work for if it works for Congregate, it should work for Facebook. I already put Flash on allow here, but yeah, you go to site settings once again. You click on allow, and you can play on Facebook. I mean, Congregate still. Um, that's basically it for Flash. Now, if we want to talk about the other option of playing Naruto online, I mean, for the people who just want to know how to use Flash, you guys can go. For the people who want to play Naruto online, there is another option which is the mini client here. So you click on download and you just kind of download it, and then you extract. Cause this is a zip file, so once it's downloaded, which will take 3 more seconds, you want to click on this thing here. Yeah, because Opera's download thing is here. So you click on this file thing here. It opens up. You right click, extract all, extract, um, and it's copying over. Blah 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 blah. I guess I have to wait a couple seconds here. It's on display. Good. And then you click on this. It's also an exe file. So either way, it's an exe file. It's a little bit risky, but since this is an official client, I'm pretty sure they're not out to steal your information or something. Yeah, just enter application and you can start playing. So that is how you do Flash. Now, in terms of Congregate, though, they stopped posting events here. You can go on Facebook groups for that, but you just go to the forums and talk on here. Also, you can check us out on Discord. Also, the Naruto Online English official channel thing is here. I don't know where to link this, but it exists somewhere. Maybe I'll just make a link to the official one. But yeah, like that last time, they closed down since people got really mad. I think people just got really mad with Oasis in general, and there's like this one outburst that turned this entire channel into an angry mob of people. I think I had a video. It's called the Tobio Manifesto or something like that. Toby something. Anyways, you guys can go check that out. But yeah, you guys can just come over here for any of the event information. There we go. Just go to, and they basically just post event information. For people who don't have Discord, just learn Discord. Right, it's not that difficult, but you can ask for help if you have trouble with Discord. But yeah, they have like event information here. What I do have, well, a better version is I think by the gaming community. So there's like a couple guys or maybe one guy now that does all the Naruto Online information, event information for the gaming community. You guys can search that in the Discord search bar thing. I don't know where that is either, but basically they copy over whatever Oasis puts on the official channel, and then they make it better. They show more stuff, do more calculations, and if you have a Discord channel, you can click on follow, add it to a random server that you have authority over. So it could be for me, it's Confident Community. It could be this random other stuff. Um, but for you, you can create your own Discord channel and you can make it follow. You can copy over everything that's in here to your channel, and you guys can see on my Discord channel or the Confident Community. You guys can go to event info here, and it copies over whatever uh, Oasis. Well, it copies over whatever the gaming community uh, edits on Oasis's information. So first it goes from Oasis and the gaming community. Somebody puts in more stuff to make it easier to read and more information, and then I copy it over using that bot. So this is how you get information in general. Okay, I just wanted to put that out there because this video is definitely not 10 minutes, and I just wanted to put some useful information out there for people. Um, I don't know if that's worth 10 minutes at all. Huh? Is there anything else you guys want to know? I mean, just put it in the comments and stuff. Yeah, event cycle. I mean, we can talk about the new event cycle. First of all, the game's not gonna die because first of all, Oasis is still advertising this game. I still get people who watch those advertisements, get into the game, and then they watch me, and then they talk to me and tell me they learned it from an advertisement. So yeah, Oasis is still advertising this game. It's not dying like all those people were talking about like a year ago. It's like the game's gonna die. No, not really. Um, the people who can't use Flash basically won't. The people who like was already gonna stop playing for a while, they're gonna take this opportunity to stop. But the game is not gonna die. All right, not while I'm here, anyways, because there's still 1,000 people watching me. The game's not dead if 1,000 people are playing it. All right, maybe it's dead like by some standard, but you're still gonna play. Uh, I don't know what else to add. Oh, Warring starts. Yeah, I kind of wonder if Warring State Hashirama. Well, I can play on Congregate now, so I guess I'll just use Congregate for now. But I wonder if there's like a 3-star version of him that gives him more abilities or something. Because I know with this 2-star version, he has. Oh gosh, I gotta. Okay. Is there like a bar here to. There's no bar? There should be a bar here, right? To move it back and forth. I really hate how they I can't get to the right side for some reason. Gosh darn it. Is this the same for you guys? It should be fine for you guys, right? People are still playing on Congregate. Okay, I'm just gonna do the original. Congregate is kind of broken. Congregate used to be owned by GameStop, but before that, it was owned by someone who was actually good at what he was doing, and then it slowly went down. And then they introduced something like Cartridge, which is their own version of a platform like Steam, except it kind of sucks. Except you can earn 10 credits from this thing, which can be used for ingots, but it's only 10 credits, and 10 credits is worth like 50 ingots maybe at most, and it takes a whole bunch of stuff. Anyways, if you guys want ingots, just go to the link on SwagBucks or my points in my descriptions, in the video descriptions. Do that instead of this. Those are better versions. Okay, benefit hall, right. I was going to look at near Hashirama, or actually the Warring State Hashirama thing. Okay, Hashirama, does he, so, okay, sorry for your ears, people. Okay, I don't have him on this account. I still have my Warring States pack from the first mini client reward. New people can't get in anymore, but yeah, I'm kind of glad I didn't open it now. I knew that they were going to give us some opportunity to get Hashirama and Madara. I just didn't know which one would be given out more. I'm still going to hold on to this because I have a feeling that they're going to also give out Warring State Madara at some point with something. 3 versus 3 arena has near Warring State Hashirama, so I don't know. Maybe I don't know if it's going to be as easy as Hashirama fragments. But Madara fragments there, he's actually not too bad in terms of damage, at least. He can actually be he can actually be pretty useful, actually, especially in the beginning stages. Madara, let's see, he has a, Madara 3 stars only has these abilities? Only 4, kind of like Hashirama, okay. But yeah, his mystery has, let's see, okay, he has a recurring mystery with 70 chakra or more. Fire damage to the entire lineup, which is pretty good for a starting ninja, okay? And he deals 50% more damage to non-Uchiha units, which is actually kind of amazing there. He would actually be pretty strong if he had 5 abilities and maybe buffed abilities on the standard and chase, but, you know, we'll see. I hope they give, they're probably not going to give him more abilities because he is a kid, but still, he's strong. He's one of the strongest kids around. Yeah, I don't think there's a kid stronger than him. How about Itachi? Let's see. Yeah, Kid Itachi. Cat ears Itachi, whatever. Cat ears Itachi has 5 abilities though. So I don't know. I will probably take Itachi over Madara by a little bit, but simply because he could be used as support. And he interrupts, but you also need someone else to chase that. Huh. Okay. That should be about 10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helped you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.